Deep inside the caves of Europe, a creature of myth and legend lurks. It's a creature so strange, so unique, that it has captured the imaginations of people for centuries. This is the Olm, a blind, cave-dwelling salamander that seems honestly more fantasy than reality. Some folks call it the human fish, while others whisper of it as a baby dragon. Whatever you call it, the Olm is a testament to the power of nature to create the strange and wonderful. The Olm is a living enigma. It is a creature that seems to defy the rules of the natural world. It really is a creature that reminds us there are still mysteries to be uncovered, secrets to be revealed. So join me now as we journey into the depths of the Olm's world, a world of darkness, silence, and wonder. Prepare to be amazed. Imagine a world without sunlight, a world of perpetual darkness. Here the air is thick with silence, broken only by the distant drip of water echoing through endless stone corridors. In this shadowy underworld, time seems to stand still, and the boundaries between night and day blur into nothingness. This is a place where the sun's rays have never reached, and where life has evolved in the most extraordinary ways to survive in the absence of light. This is the world of the Olm, a creature as mysterious as the caves it inhabits. The Olm is a living relic, a rare amphibian that has adapted to thrive in the pitch-black waters of subterranean rivers and pools. It is a master of survival in a realm that most creatures would find utterly inhospitable. The Olm makes its home in the karst caves of the Dinaric Alps, a region that stretches across parts of Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia, and Herzegovina, and Montenegro. These ancient mountains are riddled with a network of caves and underground rivers, forming one of the most extensive subterranean landscapes in Europe. Here, beneath the surface, the Olm has found a sanctuary, hidden away from the outside world. The Dinaric Alps are not just a geographical feature. They are a labyrinthine kingdom, sculpted over millions of years by the relentless flow of water. The region's porous limestone has been carved into a maze of tunnels, secret chambers, and underground lakes, creating the perfect environment for the Olm to flourish. These caves, carved by centuries of water erosion, are honestly a labyrinth of tunnels, chambers, and underground rivers. The walls glisten with moisture, and the air is cool and damp. In this maze, the Olm moves with quiet confidence, perfectly at home in the darkness. It's here, in this hidden realm, that the Olm reigns supreme. Few predators venture into these depths, and even fewer creatures are as well adapted to the challenges of this environment. The Olm is the undisputed ruler of its shadowy domain. The Olm is perfectly adapted to its subterranean existence. It spends its entire life in water, rarely if ever venturing to the surface. Its metabolism is incredibly slow, allowing it to survive for years without food if necessary, a vital adaptation in a world where meals are scarce and unpredictable. Its pale, almost translucent skin makes it look like a ghost, a phantom of the depths. This lack of pigmentation is a result of living in total darkness for generations. The Olm's skin is so thin that its blood vessels are visible, giving it an otherworldly, almost ethereal appearance. Its long, slender body, often no thicker than a human finger, allows it to navigate the narrowest crevices. The Olm can slip through cracks and tunnels that would be impossible for larger animals, making it a true explorer of the underground world. Its limbs are delicate but strong, perfectly suited for swimming and crawling through the rocky labyrinth. And its lack of eyes, a testament to its life in eternal darkness, is more than compensated for by its other senses. The Olm relies on an acute sense of smell, touch, and even the ability to detect tiny electrical signals in the water to find food and navigate its environment. In the absence of sight, it has developed a remarkable sensitivity to the world around it. The Olm hunts for tiny crustaceans, insect larvae, and snails, using its heightened senses to detect the faintest vibrations and chemical cues in the water. It is a patient predator, moving slowly and deliberately through its domain. This is no ordinary salamander. The Olm is a symbol of the hidden wonders that lie beneath our feet, a creature that has inspired legends and fascinated scientists for centuries. Its ability to live for decades and even regenerate lost limbs makes it one of nature's most remarkable survivors. This is the Olm, the ruler of the dark. In the silence and solitude of the caves, it reigns as a silent monarch, perfectly attuned to the rhythms of its secret world. Let's dive deeper into this fascinating world and uncover the secrets of the Olm's Cavernous Kingdom, a place where darkness is not an obstacle, but a way of life. The Olm may be blind, but it is far from helpless. In fact, its blindness is not a weakness, but a remarkable adaptation to the pitch-black world it inhabits. Deep beneath the surface, in the labyrinthine caves of Central and Southeastern Europe, the Olm has evolved to thrive where sunlight never reaches. Here, in this perpetual night, the Olm has developed a set of extraordinary abilities that allow it to sense and interact with its environment in ways that seem almost supernatural. Instead of relying on sight, the Olm possesses a suite of senses that would put any superhero to shame. Its world is one of subtle vibrations, faint chemical trails, and invisible electric fields. The Olm's body is perfectly tuned to pick up on the tiniest cues in its environment, making it a master of survival in the darkness. Without sight, the Olm relies on its other senses to navigate its environment and hunt for prey. Its sense of smell is so acute that it can detect the presence of other animals or decaying matter from astonishing distances, even in the still, stagnant air of the cave. Its hearing is also highly developed, allowing it to pick up on the faintest sounds, like the movement of tiny crustaceans or the gentle ripple of water caused by a swimming insect. But perhaps most fascinating is the Olm's skin. Its skin is highly sensitive to light, allowing it to detect even the faintest changes in illumination. Even though its eyes are covered by skin and essentially non-functional, the Olm can sense when a shadow passes overhead or when a distant light source flickers, warning it of potential danger or changes in its environment. This sensitivity helps it avoid predators and find its way back home after a foraging expedition. The Olm's ability to sense its surroundings is so refined that it can remember the twists and turns of its cave system, returning to the same safe crevice night after night. In a world where getting lost could mean certain death, this is a vital skill. But honestly, the Olm's most impressive sense is its electroreception. This is a rare ability among amphibians, and it sets the Olm apart as a true marvel of evolution. Electroreception allows the Olm to detect the weak electrical fields produced by the muscles and nerves of other living creatures. It's as if the Olm has a built-in radar system, giving it a sixth sense that is perfectly suited to the darkness of its home. Like a shark or a ray, the Olm can detect the weak electrical fields produced by all living things. This means that even if a prey animal is hiding under a rock or buried in the mud, the Olm can sense its presence and strike with precision. It's a hunting strategy that requires no light at all, just the faintest electrical whisper from a beating heart or twitching muscle. This allows it to see its prey, even in complete darkness. In the pitch-black waters of the cave, where most animals would be utterly lost, the Olm moves with confidence and purpose. It glides silently through the water, guided by a symphony of invisible signals, always aware of what's happening around it. It's a remarkable adaptation, one that has allowed the Olm to thrive in an environment where most other creatures would perish. The cave ecosystem is harsh and unforgiving, with limited food and constant darkness, but the Olm's unique senses give it a distinct advantage. It can find food where others cannot, avoid danger before it strikes, and survive in conditions that would be impossible for most animals. The Olm's senses are a marvel of evolution, a testament to the power of natural selection. Over millions of years, this strange amphibian has become perfectly adapted to its subterranean world. Its abilities remind us that life can find a way to flourish in even the most unlikely places, evolving new tools and strategies to meet the challenges of its environment. But the Olm's strangeness doesn't end there. In fact, the more we learn about this mysterious creature, the more it seems to defy our expectations of what life can be like in the dark, hidden corners of our planet. The Olm is a creature of paradoxes. Hidden away in the shadowy depths of Europe's limestone caves, it has evolved in near-complete isolation, shrouded in mystery and legend. For centuries, local people believed these pale, serpentine animals were the offspring of dragons, glimpsed only after heavy rains flushed them from their secret world. Today, we know the truth is even stranger. The Olm is both ancient and timeless, a living relic from a world long vanished. Its ancestors swam through underground rivers millions of years ago, and yet the Olm itself seems untouched by the passage of time. It is a living link to the distant past, a silent witness to the slow, relentless shaping of the Earth's subterranean landscapes. Encountering an Olm is like meeting a ghost from another era, familiar in its amphibian form, yet honestly, utterly alien. Its elongated, almost eel-like body, translucent skin, and lidless, sightless eyes give it an appearance that is both haunting and beautiful. Scientists call the Olm a living fossil, a creature that has remained virtually unchanged for millions of years. Its fossilized relatives, found in ancient cave sediments, look almost identical to the living animals we see today. This remarkable stability is a testament to the olm's perfect adaptation to its unique environment. And yet, despite its ancient lineage, the olm possesses a suite of adaptations that are unlike anything else in the animal kingdom. It has evolved to thrive in total darkness, navigating by touch and by sensing the faintest vibrations in the water. One of the most striking things about the olm is its neoteny. Unlike most amphibians, which undergo dramatic transformations as they mature, the olm remains forever young in appearance. Neoteny is a phenomenon where an animal retains juvenile characteristics into adulthood. In the animal world, this is rare, and in the case of the olm, it's taken to an extreme. For the olm, neoteny means it keeps its larval gills throughout its life. These delicate, feathery structures protrude from the sides of its head, allowing it to extract oxygen from the water in the pitch-black caves it calls home. These feathery external gills are a constant reminder of the olm's aquatic origins, and they are perfectly suited to the oxygen-poor waters of underground streams. The gills pulse gently as the olm breathes, glowing a faint red in the dim light, a sign of the blood flowing just beneath the skin. This gives the olm an almost ethereal appearance, as if it were a creature conjured from myth or dream. Its skin is so translucent that you can sometimes see its internal organs, a ghostly outline beneath the surface. Another unusual feature of the olm is its astonishing ability to regenerate lost body parts. In the harsh, unpredictable world of the cave, injuries are common, but the olm is uniquely equipped to recover. Like a lizard that can regrow its tail, the olm can regenerate not just limbs, but even parts of its heart, spinal cord, and other internal organs. This remarkable healing power is the envy of scientists who study the olm in hopes of unlocking the secrets of regeneration. The process is slow but sure. Over weeks and months, new tissue forms, nerves reconnect, and the lost limb or organ is restored, often with little or no scarring. In the perpetual darkness of the cave, this ability can mean the difference between life and death. This incredible ability is, without exaggeration, a testament to the olm's remarkable healing powers. It is a living example of nature's ingenuity, surviving and thriving in a world where few others could. The olm is a creature that seems to defy the rules of time and biology. It lives for decades, sometimes over a century, moving slowly, conserving energy, and rarely surfacing from its hidden world. Its slow pace of life is a strategy for survival in a place where food is scarce and change comes only with the shifting of the earth itself. In every way, the olm reminds us that the natural world is absolutely full of surprises. It is a symbol of endurance, adaptation, and the strange beauty that can be found in the most unlikely places. The olm's story is a testament to the wonders that still lie hidden beneath our feet, waiting to be discovered. The olm lives life in the slow lane. Its metabolism is incredibly slow, even for a cold-blooded animal. This allows it to survive on very little food and to go for long periods of time without eating at all. In fact, olms have been known to survive for up to 10 years without food. This slow pace of life is reflected in the olm's reproductive cycle. Olms are very slow to mature and they only reproduce every few years. When they do reproduce, females lay a small number of eggs which they guard fiercely. It is a slow and deliberate strategy, one that is well suited to the olm's stable, if challenging, environment. The olm is a creature of patience, a master of conservation. It is a creature that teaches us the value of slowing down and appreciating the moment.